sexual reproduction. So sexual reproduction, the new plants are produced with the help of seeds of a plant. This process is known as sexual reproduction. And here, what are the parts of the plants that work over here or come together? That is your flowers and your fruits that participate here in the reproduction process. The new plant produced contain the characteristics of both the plant, the parent plant, and the participate, like characteristics of both the parent plants participate and form the new seed or new plant or new kind of a sapling that you are growing at your end. Okay. So if we talk about, like we just discussed, that there are two parts, there are two things that participate in sexual reproduction. That is the fruit part or there is the flower part. So the flower part of a plant are its reproductive organ that participate in the sexual reproduction process. Now, how does it happen and what exactly happens? Like how does flower does do that thing? So now the flower is divided into two portions. There is a unisexual flower and there is a bisexual flower. Okay, so if I talk about a unisexual flower, like a papaya flower, it's either a male or a female part works. On the other hand, in a bisexual flower, we have both the things present over there. Both male and female parts are present over there in a bisexual plant. Hopefully, these two terms are clear by now. There's a unisexual flower and there is a bisexual flower. So in a unisexual flower, there is a male part or a female part. But on the other hand, in a bisexual flower, there are both. There is both the things are present into a same flower. Suppose there is kind of a female part as well, and there is a male part as well. Example, in a sunflower. So there are both the parts present over there. Moving further, how the bisexual flowers or what the different examples of those here, we can go through a few examples. The flowers that have both the androecium, that is the male reproductive part, and gynoecium, that is the female reproductive part, are called bisexual flowers, like a mustard plant or a pea plant or a sunflower. Okay, so these are few examples of bisexual flowers. Clear? Moving further, what are monosexual flowers? Some flowers have either male or female reproductive parts, but not both, like watermelon, papaya, or cucumber. Right? So they are monosexual plants. So we just read about a bisexual plant where both female and male reproductive parts are present in the flower. On the other hand, the next one, the monosexual, where we have just the male or the female reproductive part present. That is watermelon, papaya, or cucumber.